So the first question, under which article of the Directive Principles of State Policy, a working woman on maternity leave must receive all maternity benefits from the employer? Option number A, Article 42. Question number 2, which of the following articles is related to the provisions of cooperative societies in the Indian Constitution? Cooperative societies. Option number C, 243ZH to 243ZT. Question number 3, the government is bound to ensure observance of social welfare and labor laws enacted to secure for workmen a life compatible with human dignity under dash of the Indian Constitution. Option number D, Article 21. Question number 4, in the Indian Constitution, which of the following articles deals with the right to move the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights? Option number B, Article 32. Question number 5, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution has the idea that no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other hazardous employment? Option number B, Article 24. 6, K.A. Nazif versus Union of India case deals with violation of rights under dash. Option number B, under Article 21. Question number 7, which part of the Constitution of India contains the provisions of the Union Executive? Option number A, Part 5. 8, fundamental duties were not placed in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution because Part 3 is. Option number B, justiciable. 9, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for a bicameral Parliament of India? Option number C, Article 79. 10, Article 323 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Option number B, reports of Public Service Commission. 11, which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the Supreme Court to review its own judgment or orders? Option number D, Article 137. 12, which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the Parliament to establish additional courts for better administration of laws made by it? Number D, Article 247. 13, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the removal and suspension of a member of the Public Service Commissions? Option number C, Article 317. 14, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the organization, composition and powers of the state legislature? Option number B, Part 6 is the correct answer. 15, which of the following articles of the Constitution of India provide that there shall be a legislative assembly for the National Capital Territory of Delhi? Option number B, Article 239 AA. 16, provisions related to the seat of the Supreme Court of India is mentioned in which article? Option number C, Article 130. 17, Part 16 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Option number B, special provisions related to the certain classes. 18, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for the National Commission for Scheduled Castes? Option number D, Article 338. 19, which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that it is the duty of the Union Government to protect state against external aggression and internal disturbance? Option number C, Article 355. 20, which article of the Indian Constitution of India is related to the Comptroller and Auditor General of India audit reports? Audit reports. So option number C is the right answer, 151. 21, Central Bureau of Intelligence and Investigations come under which list of the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Option number A, Union list. 22. The Indian Parliament has power to impose restriction on trade, commerce, and intercourse through which article of the Indian Constitution? Option number D, Article 302. 23. Which article of the Indian Constitution state that governor has power to promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature? Number C, Article 213. 24. Article 243K of the Indian Constitution is related to which of the following? Option number D, election of the panchayat. Election to the panchayats. 25. Article 350A of the Indian Constitution is related with? Option number B is the correct answer. Facilities for instruction is mother tongue at primary stage. 26. Which article of the Indian Constitution does India mention that business in Parliament shall be transacted in Hindi or English? Option number A, Article 120. 27. Which article of the Indian Constitution is related with the special provisions with respect to the state of Sikkim? Option number C, Article 371F. 28. Which article of the Indian Constitution of India deals with the session of the Parliament? Number A, Article 85. 29. Which chapter of the Indian Constitution discusses the articles of the Parliament? Option number C, Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is the correct answer. 30. The article of the Indian Constitution that deals with the all executive powers of the governor is? Executive power of the governor is mentioned in the article of 154. Option number C is the correct answer. 31. Which part of the Indian Constitution provides for the Union Public Service Commission? Which part? Option number C, Part 14. 32. Article dash of the Indian Constitution state that there shall be a commission for the socially and educationally backward classes to be known as the National Commission for Backward Classes. Option number D, Article 338B(1). 33. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution states that Hindi in Devanagari script shall be the official language of the Union? Option number C, Article 343(1). 34. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India provides for the creation of a GST Council? Number B, Article 279A. 35. According to which of the following articles of the Constitution of India shall a money bill not be introduced in the Council of States? Option number A, Article 109. 36. As per Article dash of the Constitution of India, English is the official language for all the high courts in the country. Option number D, Article 348(1). 37. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India defines for a separate secretarial staff for each house of the Parliament? Option number A, Article 98. 38. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India states that there would be no tax levied or collected except by the authority of law? No tax levied or collected except by the authority of law. Option number C, Article 265 is the right answer. 39. Part 4A of the Indian Constitution was inserted in the Indian Constitution through dash Constitutional Amendment Act. Option number D, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. 40. Which of the following constitutional amendment acts led to formation of the Goods and Service Tax Council? Option number C, 101st Constitutional Amendment Act. It is your homework, guys. You have to answer up this question in the comment section. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India cannot be amended with a simple majority? Alright. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.